Welcome to Virgin Media. This video will take you through setting up your new kit, step by step. It'll take just over an hour. You'll see this icon when we think it'd be helpful for you to pause the video. Feel free to pause at other times too. First, we need to get you activated. Give us a call. You'll find the number in the guide that came with your kit. Make sure you have your account number and area reference handy. All done? Great! Let's start with getting your old kit uninstalled. You might need a spanner for this bit. You can find one in the box we sent. This section should take about 10 minutes. Switch off your old box at the socket. Switch off your old box and unplug the power supply lead. Remove the connector cable. You might need the spanner for this bit. If you have more than one Virgin TV box, make sure you are swapping out the box that was specified during the upgrade process. Remove the HDMI or SCART lead connecting your old box to your TV. Make sure you keep all of your old kit together and be careful not to use the old power supply with other devices by mistake. You can pause the video while you do this. Check the packaging your new kit came in for more details on how to return or recycle your old kit. All done? Great! Let's get your Powerline installed. You'll need your Powerline adapters and an Ethernet cable. Feel free to pause the video now while you check you've got everything you need. This next section will take about 30 minutes. Plug in the first Powerline adapter near your hub. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your hub. Connect the other end of your Ethernet cable to your Powerline adapter. It will be easier to set up your Powerline adapters if you plug them into sockets in the same room. You can move them later. They must be plugged directly into a main socket and not extension leads, power strips or surge protectors. Plug the second Powerline adapter into a different socket and switch on. Your Powerline adapter will attempt to connect using the electricity cable in your house. When they have connected, the picker plug light will come on. The light will be red, amber or green depending on the quality of the connection. Green is best. To secure your network, on the first Powerline adapter, press the security button for 2 seconds. You then have 2 minutes. Press the security button on the other Powerline adapter. Hold it for 2 seconds. While securing the network, the power light will flash. When your network is secure, it will stop flashing. Keep the other Powerline adapter to hand. You'll need it when we install your Virgin TV V6 box. All done? Great! Now we're going to set up your Virgin TV V6 box. You'll need your V6, its power supply, a cable adapter, the HDMI cable and a spanner, the remote control, and the paired Powerline adapter and Ethernet cable. Feel free to pause the video now while you check you've got everything you need. This next section will take about 30 minutes. Connect the short cable adapter to the connector cable that was plugged into your old TV box. Use the spanner if you need to. Join the two parts of the power supply together. Connect the cable adapter to the socket on the back of your new Virgin TV V6 box. Plug your second Powerline adapter in no more than 2 meters away from your TV and allow 2 minutes for it to reconnect. Connect the Ethernet to the back of your V6. Connect the Ethernet cable to the Powerline adapter. Use the HDMI cable to connect your new box to your TV. Take a note of the name of the HDMI port you connected to. If you have a 4K TV, make sure you connect to a 4K compatible HDMI socket. Now we can plug the power supply into a main socket. Connect the power supply to the back of your V6 and then switch it on at the wall. And switch on your new box. On your TV remote, push the input button. It might be labelled AV or Source or have this symbol on it. Then scroll to the HDMI port you connected the cable to. You should see a welcome screen. And then the Virgin Media startup screen. You can now pull the tab from your Virgin TV V6 remote. Nearly there. Your new box will download the latest software. It can take up to 20 minutes. Perfect time to hit pause and grab a cuppa. Done? Great! You should be looking at this screen. Finally, you should be looking at this screen. And that's it! You're done! Nice one! Take a look at your service guides for more handy tips on your shiny new services. Or go to youtube.com/Virgin Media Help for more help and support.